What is it? What video is this? Unboxing? Boxycharm! Unboxing, where's the box? Ooh, this box is heavy.
Hey.
Let me see, I can't carry the box. Today, we are unboxing Boxycharm! Good job! Today, welcome back to another unboxing video of September Boxycharm. Mwah. Okay. All right, let's show them the box. For this month's box, it is the September Boxyluxe. Okay, thumbnail. So let's get the unboxing part. And I actually haven't even opened it yet. As you can see, it's still sealed. Pretty big box, heavy. I can't wait to see what's inside. Whoa. Hello, Charmer. This month's theme is called Boxycharm All Access. There's 9 products in this box, and let's just dig right into it. Ooh, what's this? It is, oh, I love popping this thing. Ooh, it smells so good. So it's called Mistress. It's a hydrating hair balm. What does it do? Oh, maybe I could use this now because look, I hate my baby hairs. It's a live-in conditioning balm that won't weigh hair down. It retails for $29. And it smells sweet, flowery, light. I'm actually gonna try a little bit of it because I love the other hair balm called Briogeo. I'm using it like a hair gel. It smells so good. If you have dry, coarse, frizzy hair, you would want this. And it has coconut oil. I feel like coconut oil is so good for your hair. Ching ching! $29 for that. Next! Ooh, what is this? Curling iron. It's called Sutra. Curling iron one. This is the type of curling iron that I like. You just roll and you curl your hair. Love it. This retails for $65. Wow, 65 bucks. I don't even think I would want to spend $65 on a curling iron, but I got it on my Boxycharm. Next, salted rose mani-pedi treatment set. What is this? It smells good. So it's for your nails. And this one retails for $18. So it's a perfect treat for your dry hands and tired feet. Oh, okay. I thought it's for your nails. Oh, duh, mani and pedi. Kind of softens your palms and your feet. Next, sleeping mask. Hydrobiotic sleeping mask. It retails for, oh my goodness, this small retails for $52. Wow. It deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. Apply mask to clean dry skin before. Do not rinse. Use nightly. Oh, I could use it every night. Okay, good. So you put this on and then you go to sleep. But then do you put moisturizers and stuff like that? So you just use this every night and then you don't use moisturizer? I guess. Next. What is this? Ta-da! Sunday Riley Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. Wow. God, I love the skincare stuff that they have. Let's see how much this retails for. Oh my goodness, it retails for $65. Imagine, I only paid $50 for this whole box, and in one cream, I got it. 65 bucks. Plus, I got other stuff too. that I need. I want to smell. Ooh, it smells like vegetables. Apply to clean skin twice a day, morning and night. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like it's those when you go to spa. Kind of smells like green tea. Ooh, it's soft on the skin. Next, what is this? Black. Oh, it's an eyeliner. It retails for $20. I'm not so good at putting eyeliner because they always smudge or they always smear on my skin. But I want to see. It's like dark brown. Oh, this smudge free. Stila Shimmer Liquid Lipstick. Okay, well, see. Stila. The only thing is I don't like shimmery stuff as far as lipstick or lip balm, but I'll try. What's that? Not bad. It retails for $22. What's next? Okay, fruit infuser water bottle. You guys, this summer stay hydrated, although we're going to the fall season, but you know, in California it's still summer until I don't know when, until next year. This is what it looks like. I could actually use this for work. Put strawberries, if we have any, watermelon, cucumber, lemon, put them all in here. Yay! This will remind me to stay hydrated for work. But as a nurse, you don't want to drink too much because you don't have time to pee. Just kidding. And last but not least, this looks like a back, what is that called? Like for houses. Just kidding. All neutral colors. Right. So this, it retails $45. That's my September Boxyluxe. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell button to get notified of my new videos. Thank you guys for staying tuned, and thank you guys for watching this. I'll see you guys again on my next video.